In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Perplexity AI account. This is a straightforward process that even beginners can follow with ease. First, let's navigate to Google, where we'll begin our journey. Open your preferred web browser and go to Google by typing in the URL or simply searching for it in the search bar. It's the starting point for many of our online explorations, so it's a great place to begin. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll want to type Perplexity into the search bar. As the name suggests, Perplexity AI is a tool that could intrigue and captivate your curiosity. After typing in the keyword, hit Enter on your keyboard or click on the search icon. This will direct you to a list of search results related to Perplexity AI. Now that you have the results in front of you, look for the official Perplexity web page. Usually, it should appear as one of the top results, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Click on the link to navigate to Perplexity AI's website. It's always a good idea to ensure you're clicking the official link, which typically has a URL ending in perplexity.ai. On the Perplexity AI homepage, you'll see an option to Continue with Google. This is an efficient way to sign up, as it simplifies the process by using your existing Google account credentials. Click on this option, and it will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to associate with Perplexity AI. If you have multiple Google accounts, select the one you use most often or the one you want to be connected to your AI activities. After selecting the account, you'll be guided to a page asking for your confirmation to proceed. You may see a list of permissions that Perplexity AI requires to function effectively using your Google account. It's important to review these permissions to understand what information you're sharing. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, click on the Continue button to finalize your account setup. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully created your Perplexity AI account. This is just the beginning of your journey with Perplexity AI, a tool designed to foster deeper understanding and exploration through artificial intelligence. Now you're ready to explore its features and see how it can assist you in various tasks. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the process, it's always a good idea to double-check each step or consult any provided help documentation. Enjoy discovering the capabilities of Perplexity